Hey guys, welcome to another product overview video here at Jackson Systems. Today I'm here with Griffin and we're going to be talking about what are we talking about today?
So this is the Nest Protect. This is going to be the smoke and CO alarm.
Okay.
Two combined into one there, so you're going to get a smoke and CO alarm with this product here.
All right. So I see that there's some glowing rings, and what are some of the features and benefits beyond a typical smoke detector and CO detector?
Yeah, I think one of the biggest issues I've always had with smoke detectors is the thing will just start chirping at random times throughout the night.
Okay.
Or a small little bit of smoke from the kitchen you're cooking dinner will set off the alarm. Nest Protect will do a couple of cool things. You're going to get notifications when your battery's running low.
Yeah.
So we have a battery and a hardwired version. So you're going to get those notifications. It's going to tell you exactly which one is running low on battery.
Okay.
Another thing you can do with this, instead of trying to hit the smoke detector off the wall with a broom, you're going to be able to just silence alarms when it's just a heads up. So
Okay.
heads up, there's just a little bit of smoke from the kitchen.
Yeah.
We can show you the demo here if we want to walk through.
Yeah, let's
what
do
that
it.
Looks like.
Let's
All right.
see
The
what we
other
got.
cool thing here is this is going to talk to you with words instead of just the chirping. So we'll go through the
Nest
demos here.
Protect speaks to you with words and colors, instead of just beeping. Press the button to learn more. Imagine you just burned the toast. Nest Protect will give you an early warning before sounding the alarm.
Heads up, there's smoke. Downstairs. The alarm may sound.
Press for more. In an emergency, Nest Protect tells you where the danger is.
Emergency. There's carbon monoxide in the hallway. Move to fresh air.
Okay.
Yeah, so you
Press
see
for more.
there the commands it'll give you. If you have multiple of these in your house, all three of them are going to tell you the same thing. So they're going to tell you where the smoke and CO is coming from.
Okay.
One other cool feature is if you have this product and a Nest thermostat installed, when this Nest Protect goes into that alarm mode, it's automatically going to shut off your HVAC system.
Okay, so it prevents the smoke or the fire from being circulated throughout the house.
Yeah, we don't want that air blowing through the house, so it's going to automatically send a signal over to your thermostat. Nothing you have to do, but it's going to kill the fan and not have that system running.
All right.
One other cool feature, it might seem underrated, but at night you have this in the hallway. It's going to give you a night light or a path light when you walk underneath that too. So no more stubbing your toe walking to the bathroom.
Yeah, no, seems like a great product. I actually have two of them in my house, and we love them each and every night. So, guys, if you have any questions about this amazing product, just reach out to us at 888-652-9663 or go online to our website at jacksonsystems.com to find out more information. We look forward to talking with you soon.